Welcome or welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to have you here. This is the first wash day post big chop. Like, oh my gosh. This is how my hair was looking like after I took out those twists from the last video. My hair has always been pretty low porosity, but I will say the damage parts of my hair were higher porosity, so those parts would dry faster. But now that all my hair is, back to being pretty healthy, I am back to low porosity. But today we're using the AMIKA Hydro Rush line. It's designed for thick and coarse hair, and it's supposed to add extra moisture. It has hyaluronic acid and squalane. These are typically ingredients found in skincare, so I was super excited to try this line out, especially because AMIKA has been everywhere for a good year or two. Like, it's been pretty viral. As of right now, while I'm recording this voiceover, I've used the AMIKA products 3 times in a row, and I can say that this shampoo, number one, very moisturizing, and you see those curls, you see the clumpage. I'm sorry, I can't get into how amazing my hair looks after the cut. I'm getting up in there in that scalp because at this point it had been a month since I had last washed my hair. I kid you not. The last month before my big chop, I was just sick of my hair. Like, I didn't even want to do it because I was tired of the damage. I was just ready to cut it off. That's how I knew. That's actually how I knew. But I am in love with how juicy these curls look, even with the shampoo. I haven't even used a conditioner yet. Once I rinsed that out, I definitely felt that softness and some moisture in my hair. This is not a clarifying shampoo, so you will get that moisture back. I really loved how my hair felt. This is what my hair looks like without any product whatsoever. Super shrunken. Let me just say, my hair feels so soft. I can say that Hydro Rush shampoo made my hair really soft. Really, really soft. I'm sure it's gonna feel even more moisturized after using the deep conditioner, but my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel dry or stripped whatsoever. So I'm about to go in with this Hydro Rush conditioner. This would be my second time using this deep conditioner. This is the deep conditioner that's like super viral. Everybody's like, oh, you need to try this, especially if you have like kinky curly hair. That's what it looks like. The whole line smells like the same. Let me just say, getting used to this short hair it's very interesting. Cause like I can't do a low puff. Okay, my hair's too short for that. So like I have to like split my hair into 2 and do 2 afro puffs in order to pull it back, which is really interesting. But we're getting used to it. I have to do so many sections for everything now. So many sections. I used to just do 4 twists and call it a day. Now I have to do 12, 15 twists. I don't even know. I can't even count because it's just too many, okay? You're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna get with what you go through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down. You don't make it time. I'm getting always through. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe don't you be so sure that you cry. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. So my hair is fresh and ready to go. I'm gonna go in with this K18 leave-in hair mask. I'm gonna be going in with it for the next few weeks after my big chop. And then I'm also gonna go in with this AMIKA Hydro Rush leave-in conditioner. It is a spray. I'm not too much of a spray kind of girl when it comes to leave-ins. I typically feel like a leave-in cream does the trick, like a watery based cream. But we're gonna try this and the K18. And before I go in with the REVAIR, I'm using this Superfruit Star. This is new from AMIKA. It's good as a heat protectant and just a lightweight styling oil, so it's not gonna weigh my hair down. And I'm excited to try this out for the first time. For a spray, it has a good amount of slip. I don't know if I use too much, but it has a good amount of slip. And you know, my hair is coily, it's thick. I'm just gonna apply that on my ends. Gonna go in with this superfruit oil. I'm not gonna use too much of it. Since my big chop video, I've gotten a lot of comments on how I styled my hair after the big chop. Everybody really liked it, so I will share. I did 17 braids and I followed the same product combo that I normally do for my braid and curls, which is a leave-in, a curl cream, and a curl mousse. I used the AMIKA leave-in and then the Resos Curls curl cream and the Resos Curls curl mousse for this particular style. I did notice that, you know, I need to work on switching up how I add my perm rods to my hair now that it's shorter. I had a couple straight pieces, so like I guess I need to bring the perm rods up a bit, but you know what? It's trial and error. This is the first time I'm styling this new haircut, so you know, just gotta work with it. I was really very much trusting the process. I added some of the Resos Curls strength oil to, you know, help with preventing frizz. You know the drill. You know the drill. I did notice though, some parts were like damp, like my hair had not fully dried. And let me just say, I stayed up till so late trying to put in these braids. And yes, my hair is shorter, but doing the old styles I used to do, they take longer. 100%. 100%. But, you know, we live and we learn. Taking everything down, I was really loving the curls. I felt like my hair was very defined. Of course, I destroyed it with the pick, but you know, I did the same thing that I typically do, separate curl by curl. The curls are much tighter, so You know, I added some of the pick, shaped it to my liking. A lot of people were complimenting the shape. This is how I got it, okay? It took a lot of fluffing and separating and picking and separating and shaping and fluffing and then more picking. Like, I kid you not, it took some time to get to the greatness that y'all saw. But after I did my hair on this day, I did not have to redo my hair. Like, it did last me a good few days. I did re-moisturize my hair with a refreshing spray. But this is the final look that everybody loved. Super cute. Y'all, I can't wait to do a twist out next. As of right now, I've cut some of the straggly pieces, but that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing wash day. See you soon.